Simple Learning Corner.
Hello kids, in this video you're going to learn 20 wild animals names in English with correct pronunciation. Please watch the video till end. Now let's start the video.
Lion, lion. Tiger, tiger. Elephant, elephant. Bear, bear. Fox, fox. Monkey, monkey. Giraffe, giraffe. Wolf, wolf. Camel, camel. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Zebra, zebra. Jackal, jackal. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Cheetah, cheetah. Panda, panda. Chimpanzee, chimpanzee. Leopard, leopard. Porcupine, porcupine. Deer, deer.
I hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.